I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Samsung phone and app so the pop-up works. Update YouTube and your browser first. Next, open Settings and grant YouTube necessary permissions, including storage and overlays. This lets the app show windows above others. Once done, enable Picture-in-Picture under Special Access. It's essential for a floating player. Make sure battery optimization is off for YouTube, because Samsung's power settings can pause background playback and prevent pop-up windows. You now create the pop-up window. Play a video in the YouTube app and then press Home. If Picture-in-Picture is enabled, the video shrinks automatically. If P doesn't appear, tap the three-dot menu while watching and look for Pop-up View, or use Samsung's recent right arrow app icon, right arrow open in Pop-up View. Once the video floats, you can drag it, pinch to resize, or tap to reveal controls. Make sure sound and play/pause respond before proceeding. Finish by positioning and testing the pop-up. Drag it to any corner, pinch to resize, and tap to access playback controls. If you need it larger, use split screen or reopen in pop-up view. Once satisfied, use recents to pin the app or close it with the X. If the pop-up won't appear, check Picture-in-Picture, overlay permissions, and disable battery saver for YouTube. Also reboot the phone and update apps. These steps solve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.